The Studenglass is a specially engineered gravity hookah that was designed with this really cool 360 rotating glass that activates the cascading water displacement for a refreshingly powerful hit. I'm going to be unboxing the Studenglass Gravity Hookah. Let's jump right into it. I make educational vape content for adults. If you're into that kind of stuff, please consider liking this video and subscribing. Now back to our video. What is up, guys? My name is Sean. Welcome to EduVape, the place to learn about vapes. I'm super excited today because we are going to be unboxing the Studenglass. So the Studenglass comes in just this white box with the logo in the center. On the back is a small diagram of what you'll be getting, the whole Studenglass kit like that. There's a little plastic handle, but pretty much that's all there is to it. It's just a little plain box. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Okay, wow, so this is the Studenglass Kit. Everything is neatly inside the black foam that provides a nice cushion. Definitely don't see anything breaking from shipping with this cushion. It's very nice. Alright, so the first thing that catches my eye is the Studenglass base. It's made of a nice aircraft grade aluminum with a clean matte black finish. The base is nice and very heavy. The cushions underneath provides an excellent grip. I definitely don't see you knocking this thing over at all. You can see that the matte black diffused down stem is in the center of the glass globe pre-installed. The joints feel very smooth and really nice to rotate. And there is a beautiful logo right there at the center. To the left is where the mouthpiece goes, and to the right is where the bowl goes. So here's the other diffused down stem that goes on the other side. This is the mouthpiece, and here's the 3-foot silicone hose. This is the other glass globe that goes on top of the Studenglass. Inside are extra grommets and other parts. There's also a manual in here too. Here is the metal mouthpiece for the Studenglass. This glass piece is the mouthpiece for the silicone hose, and this is the magnetic centerpiece that connects the hose to the Studenglass. This metal part with the silicone on its end is for use with the hookah mode. This is the bowl piece for the hookah mode, and also where you lay your charcoal on top. Here is the metal bowl for the hookah, very high quality metal. And lastly, the glass bowl piece for flowers that I accidentally broke it. So this is everything that comes with the Studenglass. Let's go ahead and IKEA this together.
IKEA, the beautiful possibilities.
Alright, so let's go ahead and put the Studenglass together. I'm gonna start with this metal mouthpiece right here on the left. Now I'm gonna install the diffused down stem on the top of the Studenglass. Alright, so now we put the hose together. There's the hose piece, a magnetic piece, and a glass mouthpiece. The hose connect right into the metal mouthpiece right here on the left. Alright, so now I'm gonna go get some water and fill up the Studenglass. Pro tip, you can actually use the other glass globe to fill up the other glass globe with water. Putting on the other glass globe and tightening it firmly. Now that everything's put together, let's go ahead and try out that 360 gravity thing. Wow, like this super smooth and this super unique and smooth. I really enjoy just rotating this thing, really high quality. Alright, so now let's go ahead and try out the Studenglass. So I'm going to be using the Studenglass with an enail. The Studenglass is super versatile. You can use it with flowers, concentrates, or hookah, like depending on the bowl piece you're using. And today I'm going to be using the Studenglass with the enail. Alright, so I put the enail banger where the bowl piece would normally go. Now I'm going to be taking a dab out of this by rotating the glass globe. Okay, let's go. So at first you get kind of a wispy hit. Very light vapor forming. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it again to see if I can get some more. So dang, look at this thing milk up. Like, this is super cool. I'm gonna rotate it again to clear it. You get such impressive and giant hits with this thing. I just love the experience so much. It's also such an amazing centerpiece that catches your eye. Like when this thing's on a table, everyone thinks like, what is this thing? Like, what is this capsule thing? Like, am I gonna go back in time when I rotate this or something? Or am I gonna like enter anti-gravity mode or something like that? Like, it's kind of a futuristic, weird looking pod thing. And especially when it fills up with smoke, it's like this magical centerpiece. Like I can see someone using like the Studenglass for D&D just as a prop, especially if you hide the logo and add some dragon stuff to it. But anyways, I absolutely love the Studenglass Gravity Hookah. It's a unique experience that I definitely recommend. If you ever had the chance to try one of these, like, you gotta try it. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Today, I unboxed and tried out the Studenglass Gravity Hookah, a very unique and refreshing experience. I'm Sean from EduVape, the place to learn about vapes. Sean signing out.